Hi, welcome to our podcast, your sanctuary for aligning with your highest self. Today's episode is a guided mantra practice to help you attract abundance into every area of your life: wealth, love, opportunities, and joy. Find a quiet space, sit or lie down comfortably, take a deep breath in, and let it go. Let's begin. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold it, exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, inhale the energy of the universe. Hold it. Exhale energy blocking your flow. Feel your body relax. Feel yourself grounding into the earth. Secure, steady, open. You are safe to receive. Now, place your hand on your heart or your solar plexus. Repeat quietly or in your mind, I am open to receive. I am worthy of abundance. I allow prosperity to flow to me easily and freely. I am open to receive. I am worthy of abundance. I allow prosperity to flow to me easily and freely. Let those words sink in. Take another breath and smile gently. We'll now repeat the mantra, I am aligned with the energy of abundance. I am aligned with the energy of abundance. I am aligned with the energy of abundance. With every repetition, feel it becoming your truth. Abundance is my birthright. Money flows to me effortlessly. Now, visualize a golden light surrounding you. This is the frequency abundance. See if it's filling every cell of your body. You are radiant, you are magnetic, you are whole. Now imagine your ideal life, the wealth, the health, the joy. You are living it. Feel the gratitude as if it's already yours. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Thank you, universe, for the abundance I already have and the abundance on its way. For your energy lifted, your vibration is raised. You are in alignment. You are ready. Thank you for joining me today. Come back to this episode anytime you want to reconnect with the energy of abundance. Until next time, keep shining and stay open to receive.